Hi guys, welcome to Auto Top NL and welcome again to, well, at the moment not so sunny because the sun is setting, but here in beautiful Portugal, and I'm here with this M2 competition. So another M2 passing by, not really the same thing. M2 competition, big turbo. So this car has turbos from HP, makes allegedly around 670 horsepower, has all the bits and bobs. So I'll show you around it real quick. Nice black on black spec with the 763M or 766M wheels, gyro discs, endless pads, so it's prepared for track. It has actually KW V4 suspension, so it is set up. Power flex bushes all around, so it has all the stuff in that sense to be a track car. Exhaust, active autowerken, Akrapovic diffuser because the car actually used to have an Akrapovic. Still has the Akrapovic downpipes. CS hood on this car. Nope, regular comp, like I said. But I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is a CS hood with the exhausting on the hood. The splitter, of course. But most of it, to be honest, is going on under the hood with this car. So interior on this car, as you see, stock, nothing really special. No bucket seats yet, but it should have for a track car. And there is a lot going on under here. So Wagner charge cooler, it also has the Wagner intercooler at the front actually. It has the WMI injection, so water methanol injection on it. You can see the little nozzle right here. Has the HP turbo, so that's what you really need to make that kind of power. Now I'm wondering actually if it's not just an insert, to be fair. Yeah, I think it's an insert. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with that. I'll let the owner handle that because it sounds a bit sketchy. Power flex bushings, big brakes, exhaust, power. It really is. Oh yeah, of course, let's not forget Nankang CRS tires. So again, a CRS on track. Great tire. Nankang has been putting this thing out there and it's been working like a charm recently for a lot of people. So yeah, I'm gonna take this package out on track, feel what it's like to, you know, drive a bit of basically a really aggressive street car that's not entirely set up for track yet because of the missing interior bits and such, the bucket seats, because you're going to move around a lot. Let's see how we're going to put down this power and this torque through these CRS tires, and then you guys come along with me and potentially enjoy this lap. So guys, big turbo, or well, two bigger turbos, M2 competition, allegedly making right around 650 680 horsepower. Has a lot of mods. Let's see what this thing feels like. I have not driven it. Holy yeah, I can tell there's a big turbo there somewhere. Let's see how it moves. Holy! Wow! Okay. That's no joke. Be careful on the brakes, that's for sure. Or on the brakes on the throttle, I mean. It has a lot of, maybe a little too much torque. Wow. It likes to light up the tires like crazy. Has really good brakes. We're gonna let this GT3 pass. God, it does handle really well. I'm thinking about using second gear or not. The problem that I always have with these cars and power modifications is that the power comes in so sudden. So you just get all that torque and all that power in a very small operating window, which, oh, we have some gravel here, which isn't really my kind of thing. Good brakes though. Oh yeah. Car works really well on the KWs, rotates nicely. I'm also assuming it has some sort of software in the sense of gearbox, XHP or something like that. Oh. Moves a little under braking, nothing too crazy. It's gonna light up the tires for sure. I'd say the CRSs on this car are a bit at the end of their life. But it does still feel, you know, it's a very simple, fairly simple package, of course, this car, but it does feel really good. Obviously, having an M4 myself makes driving this a little, you know, easier getting into something like this platform, but the power delivery is, whoa, almost scary, to be fair. It moves so fast with so little throttle input, it's actually insane. Oh. It's really the only thing that this car, but the owner already said it himself, to be fair, the only thing that it's missing really is some proper bucket seats, because you're moving around just a bit too much within the car. Oh, oy, oy, oy. Look at the speeds. Wow, 260 something. Wow. Oh, a lot of gravel on track here. Oh, what a machine. The speed it carries is, we do a little short shift and then just within that much is really where all the power is, which is, and with that I mean like in the pedal itself. It's quite tricky to drive in that sense. Yeah, you can light up the tires for days, but that's not really, it's not really that fast on track, is it? What a package. This must be, apart from the seats, a really good like club sport car, but this power, you know, obviously you're gonna be fast on track because you have the power to back up maybe your lack of cornering speeds. Oh, it does have the lateral grip that you will want, to be fair. Oh. Oh, you can feel the rear end dancing around. One more time. Oh, the speeds. Oh, insane. Oh, you have to be so gentle with the throttle, and I'm very happy that there's a tire to back it up, and there's also a brake to back it up, because without, oh, auto, a lot of modifications. Oei, oei, oei. Very tricky car to drive in that sense. I'm not gonna light the tires here this time. I'll try not to give it a short shift. Wheel spin. What a machine. Whew. I'm gonna take it easy from here on because of course turbo car, so we wanna have the turbos cool off just a little bit. Oi 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 oi. What a machine this is. What a machine. I like it though. I'm never with these cars. I get why people do turbos and such, but you know, not so much for track use. I get it if you do, you know, draggy times and stuff like that. That's what it's for in my opinion, and all the bragging rights that you have the power to back up the torque. But this is a nice overall package. A little too much power for, or a little too much torque actually, for a track car for my liking. But I mean, you saw yourself, the speeds that this thing can carry is whoo, something else. Huge thanks to the owner for letting me drive this thing. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, see you at the next review at Portimao. Who knows? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.